Welcome to our LENA tutorials. Inhale, exhale. For most of us, a very natural thing, but unfortunately not for everyone. Some patients need support. Next to the therapy device, especially the mask plays a very important role. For more than 20 years, the Löwenstein team has been developing masks. Now we have used these experiences for a very special mask, our new ventilation mask, LENA. The specialty about ventilation is that you could have higher pressures, above 20 millibar, or you could also have pressure differences between inhaling and exhaling. LENA accepts these challenges. You will have a good fitting on the face. There will be no pressure marks and of course no leakages. Curious to learn more? Have a look at the following tutorials and give LENA a try.